How's it going, everybody? So about a month ago, Adidas Canada hit me up and they let me know that the Ultra Boost Clima was actually going to be landing on miAdidas. So miAdidas, for those of you guys who don't know, is an online customization platform where you can pick your own colors and your own patterns and throw it onto an existing Adidas silhouette. So long story short, I was able to design my very own Ultra Boost Clima before it launched to the public, and I'm here today to show you guys the finished product. Before I do that though, here's a quick look at the box. So instead of your standard yellow and purple Ultra Boost box, in this case, this comes in a black base box that also has this Boost branding found on the side. Inside the box is a little extra. It comes with this nylon and mesh black bag. So now moving on to the shoes, and to be honest, if you guys saw the thumbnail of this video, I'm sure you guys have seen it already, but here it is. So for those of you guys watching who are interested in making your very own Ultra Boost Clima, these retail for $220 USD or $270 here in Canada. In my case, I wanted something unique enough that wasn't like a direct ripoff from an older Ultra Boost release, but I also wanted something that was actually wearable. So in this case, with the upper, I chose the Talc color, which is sort of like a lighter gray or like a lighter beige. Being the Ultra Boost Clima model, you're gonna have a ton of perforations found throughout. This ensures the shoe is very breathable and very light. Similarly, instead of your normal plastic cage, in this case, these come with a knitted cage, and I also opted for the Talc color as well, giving a very uniform appearance. For the laces, I wanted some separation between the laces and the rest of the shoe, so I opted for white colored laces. As for the tongue label, I wanted some sort of pop, so I opted for the high-res orange color, and this is actually done in 3M as well, so when you shoot this with flash, this will light up. Taking a quick look at the lace tips, you can see it says miAdidas at the very edge. Wrapping around the back heel, we have this TPU heel counter that's found on both sides, and in this case, I went for the clear orange color, but in real life, this looks more like a pink or like a pale peach. If you guys can see the inside liner of the shoe, this is also done in talc. And then taking a look at the insoles, so I believe they all come standard with this orange colored insole that has the Boost branding on the heel. So I think in my case, it just so happened that the insole did match perfectly with the tongue label. So the upper of these Ultra Boosts sits atop this full-length Boost midsole. This is done in white, and I believe you have two options. You can either go with a white Boost midsole or a painted black midsole. Turning these over to the bottom, so here we have your Continental rubber outsole. In this case, I opted for a white rubber outsole. I really like how the white of the midsole and the outsole complements the white laces and overall gives it a very clean look. From a sizing standpoint, so I found that these Ultra Boost Climas fit a little bit big. So my feet measures as a true size 10, and I wear a size 10.5 for the Ultra Boost 1.0, 2.0, and 4.0, but I wear a size 10 for the Ultra Boost 3.0. In this case, I ordered a size 10, and surprisingly, they fit me a little bit big. Width-wise, it was perfect, but from a length perspective, there was a little bit more room in the toe than I would have liked. So if you guys do have narrow feet, I definitely recommend sizing down a half. But if you have wider feet and you don't mind a little bit extra space in the toe, then I'd recommend sticking true to size. Comfort-wise, so these feel exactly like any other Ultra Boost that you'd find at a retail store. So these are gonna feel very responsive, very cushioned, and as great as you'd expect any Ultra Boost would be. So now let's lace these up and show you guys how these look on feet. As mentioned earlier, my goal when I designed this was I wanted something wearable, I wanted something unique enough, and I didn't want to rip off an existing design. Personally, I am very happy with how this turned out, and for the price point of $220 US or $270 Canadian, I think that it's pretty reasonable considering that you can basically choose to design your very own shoe. In the future, it would be nice if you can incorporate your own custom text on the shoe and maybe a wider array of color options, but I think that there's still a ton of different ways you can play around with the existing options right now. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these miAltra Boost Climas. If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Give me a follow on Instagram at esco8, check out my Twitter at sean.go, and follow my website at seango.ca. Before I sign off, one final thank you goes out to the good people at Adidas Canada for hooking me up with these, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video.